Masisira yung
If I could tell you, I would. Honestly, no secrets between us. No, it's just honesty. Even if it hurts, even if it's just for today. I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's begun. So don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination. Don't be a stranger. Let me get to know ya. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure you out. What it be like to
Hi! Welcome to the vlog. Ito yung malikot.
Introduce yourself properly.
I am Cassie. I'm Cassie from 11 Parents and 12
I'm
Pantaya.
Cassie
from 11 Parents and 12 Pantaya. First honors. May iiyak ka dyan, Chloe.
Wait,
Guys, hindi kayo iiyak sa akin.
top loader.
Diba?
Top loader. Wow, nice. Thank you. Wait, yeah, take the balang. I told you!
Hindi niya mababasa yan.
Hala,
I'm
nag-swatch
gonna
na.
scan it with Google Translate.
Tapos,
Thank
hindi,
you.
effective yan kasi galing niya rin naman Google Translate.
Lastly, we thank our Jesuit fathers and Reverend who joined us this morning. Our deacon, Reverend Richard S. Sumera of the Site of Jesus.
Magkasama kayong nag-aral, nagsikap at nangarap sa tuwa, sa saya, sa lungkot at mga paghihirap.
At sa pagpadayon ng iyong paglalakbay, tandaan mo sa Pilipinong bumibigyan ka ng
Inamin sana sa Diyos. Di pag-ikilan, di pag-agaw, alas, hindi Diyos.
We're done with the baccalaureate mass.
Ang init. Ang init dun sa pwesto namin, walang fan. Grabe na ang Pilipinas talaga.
Yes, ang ganda
your
mo
vlog.
na, yes.
I love your hair.
Thank you. Wait, so magka-class pic muna kami.
Ah, here ba?
Ang init. Okay. So hot. But I'm so excited.
Would it be like to be
Future Ateneans, this is what an Ateneo Senior High School graduation looks like. Yeah. It's fun.
Until graduation day, nasita pa rin ako ni Ma'am sa Cluty kasi I was late. Kasi pa rin ako. Nagpa-picture kami nila mo.
Where's Tantan? Tantan is here! Okay, we're going up. Ang init, ang init. We're in our holding room. Oh, finally, medyo mas malamig siya. I'm gonna give my palangkas now. So, there's this tradition na we're giving our grad pics to our friends. Tapos, we write a palangka at the back. So, these are mine. Where's Mickey Tan? Mickey, thank you for the grad pic. Jaime, this is ano yun?
Hindi, like wala akong pakay.
Thank you, Jaime.
Can you give it to me later?
Henin!
Thank you.
Wait, nakita mo na ba yung sinuot ko kay Mika? It's really... Hindi mo nakita! Yeah, I gave it na.
Sabi mo sa akin yun, nakailangan in Chinese. I'm so sorry, I didn't write in Chinese.
Look, it looks nice, so neat.
Narito po ang klase ng Grodetsky ng UNS at ang klase ng Pantalya ng STEM.
I know you're just here for good fun.
Julian Chloe D. Bulaklak, unang karangalan.
But don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination. Don't be a stranger. Let me get to know you.
Mga tapos sa klase.
Mambay kami sa photoshoot ngayon.
We've returned our togas na, so we're back to our like plain white dresses. So many dala. So many cameras. Bye, Ateneo!
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go.
This is post 28
Take my walks
though.
with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And